Hi friends, today we can learn one board for you. It is a application to use as a whiteboard, and it also helps to collaborate with others. And it is created by Google, and it is available from this Google product. If we log in into our email ID in the Google page, we can see these 9 dots. Click on the 9 dots to open the particular application, and that particular application is known as Jamboard. Jamboard is a product of Google, and you can utilize this application as an effective media to interact with your students online. And these are the some of the boards I created. I would like to create a new one to demonstrate. Click on this plus mark. Yeah, this is the first step. Click on the first plus mark, and it will lead you to this particular area where you can utilize this area as a whiteboard. You can rename it as biology class or any name. Okay, just give a name, and you can utilize these tools. Left side, these are the tool pad, and from the tool pad you can take any tool. For example, a pen. I took a pen, and I can use this pen to write here. Okay, in this way you can write. And why online class? You can utilize this tool to write on here. Okay, this may be helpful for uh, physics, chemistry, math teachers. For example, if you like to you express a problem, for example, uh, a statistic teacher would like to explain mean is sigma fx divided by n. Okay, the formula can be written here, and we can utilize this board while we are on video conferencing in Google Meet, or we can utilize this for recording. Okay, these are the some of the options. Okay, and the next tool is to erase. If we make some error, we can utilize this tool to erase. Okay, and this again the mouse cursor, the third one, and the next is sticky note. Here we can add a sticky note. I type formula of mean. We can change the color of the knot. Okay, then click on save, and the knot will appear here. Okay, we can put it somewhere else, and we can add some comments. We can edit it, duplicate it, or delete it directly from on the top right corner. We can rotate it. Okay, such methods are there. We can add any number of sticky notes. Okay, then we can add images either directly from our computer, or from Google image search, or from our Google photos. If this account, my account, have any Google photo account, we can directly add photos from there. Such an option is there. I would like to add one photo, my own photo here. Okay, right. It is uploading, and it is added here. And I would like to reduce the size by click and drag and put it in the corner. Okay, now and what is this? This is laser point. That is, we can pinpoint some area of this board without making the line there. Okay, and these are the some of the function of this whiteboard, and we can change the color of the whiteboard into other colors like ruled board. Now there is some pixels, some cross lines are there, and I would like to change into symbol lines, and I would like to a gray boxed line, and I would like to a gray color, and I would like to a blue color, and I would like to a black color. If it is in black color, we can change the color of the what is called the pen to write on this screen. Okay, now we can zoom it and zoom down. Okay, in this way we can zoom it and zoom down. Now it is fit on the area. Then we can add next slide. This is the second slide. This is the first slide. Okay, while explaining a topic, we need not to wipe all the board and to create a new one. Instead, just click here to add a new board. Here again, you can start writing. Okay. Otherwise, you can do one more thing. You can clear the frame. Just press clear the frame. It will erase all the things here. Okay. In that way also, now I made undo, and by clicking undo, I add the thing again here. Okay, these are the sum of the options. Now, the most amazing thing is that we can download it as a PDF or as in the form of an image, or we can create a copy and we can share it. We can share it with other teachers or other students, or we can create a editable link. That means anyone with the link can edit. Okay, now it is only viewing, but we can make it into editor. That means the sheet can be the particular presentation can be the particular board can be shared with any other teacher to make some other new sticky notes. For example, now I would like to share it with another person. I paste it here, ask him to here it is not shared actually. Anyone with the link can edit. Okay, copy link. Click on copy link. Now I would like to share here. Now anyone with this link can open. For example, here I open another window of Jamboard with another email ID. Here I would like to add this particular link and click. And what happened is that the new person can access my biology class, and he or she can add a new sticky notes. Please make it clear. Such a comment is added here. Okay, somewhere else, and click cancel, and she or he put it here. Okay, please make it clear, a sticky note. Or she can write it here. Okay, what is this? I would like to change the background color again to white. What is this? And this command is done by another person. See, it is not by me, it is by another person. And I come back to see what is the situation in my Jamboard. It may be changed. Okay, yeah, see, now what happens is that it is loading. Yeah, what is this? Please make it clear. That is the comment done by the other person is here. In this way, you can create this board and share with other teachers, or can share with even students. You can ask the students to create their own Jamboard and add you as a editor. Okay, then you can make comments there. For example, if I click here and add one person. For example, yeah, click this person. I click this person and click a message. Teacher, consider I am the student and she is the teacher. Teacher, please correct my diagram. Okay, such a command is given, and this biology in the biology board I draw one diagram of a cell. Okay, this is a cell, this is nucleus. This way the student draw this is nucleus, this is cell. In this way the student create a rough diagram, and at the same time the teacher can access it. Teacher sit in his or her house. The teacher is here. Teacher at the same time synchronously can see this figure and teacher can correct it. And this is not the cell, okay, not inside. And this is not nucleus. Okay. And teacher can make a command here. Please note the markings. Same. And teacher can put cancel here and go there. Okay. In this way teacher can add some sticky notes and something like that. Okay, for the purpose of attention by students. And this is a fantastic tool, can be used with your students. And you can do one more thing here. After changing the background color into black, you can change the color of the pen also. Here by clicking the right hand arrow mark here, you can take the color to white, and using the white color you can write here white, and now it is exactly like blackboard. Okay, here one more thing you can do, you can change the pen into a marker. Using the marker you can mark the area. Okay, marker with another color, right? And you can do one more thing, you can use it as highlighter, right? You can utilize as a brush. Brush is more lighter than the marker. In this different way you can utilize your Jamboard. You can use different colors of pen. Okay, that's also can be added to this Jamboard. Thank you for watching. You can see all these things here. Okay, right?